In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an indicator in TradingView step by step. If you're new to TradingView or just getting comfortable with technical analysis, this walkthrough will make the process simple and approachable, and by the end, you'll be able to place and fine-tune indicators with confidence. First, open TradingView and click Chart. This takes you to the main workspace where your price data lives. If it's your first time on the chart page, don't worry. What you see is a standard layout with the price chart in the center, toolbars along the top and left, and a symbol search at the top. You can use any market or time frame you like. The steps are exactly the same no matter what you're viewing. Next, click Indicators on the top toolbar. This is the gateway to all of TradingView's built-in tools, from moving averages and oscillators to volume studies and more. The panel that opens is organized and searchable, which makes it quick to find exactly what you need. If you're just exploring, you'll notice sections for built-in indicators and a large community library, but we'll keep it straightforward for now. In the search bar, type the name of the indicator you want to add. As you type, you'll see results appear below. You can search for popular choices like moving average, RSI, or MACD, or enter a specific name if you already know what you're looking for. Keep an eye on the category label next to each result so you can choose the built-in version if that's what you prefer. Now, click the indicator from the search results to apply it to your chart. The change is immediate. Some indicators appear directly on the price chart as overlays, like moving averages, while others open in their own panel beneath the chart, like RSI or MACD. Don't worry if it looks a bit busy at first. This is just the default view, and you can fine-tune it to match your preferences. Finally, adjust the indicator settings by hovering over its name on the chart and clicking the gear icon if needed. This opens the settings window, where you can modify inputs like length or period and customize styling such as colors and line thickness to improve readability. If you change your mind, you can always reset to defaults. When you're done, click OK to apply your changes, and your chart will update instantly. That's it. Open the chart, add your indicator, and adjust the settings so it fits your workflow. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.